The Belarus MTZ-820 is a robust and versatile utility tractor known for its reliability and straightforward mechanical design. It's a popular choice for a wide range of agricultural tasks due to its affordability and ease of maintenance. Engine details. The heart of the MTZ-820 is its D240 diesel engine, characterized by the following specifications. Engine model, D240. Fuel type, diesel. Cylinders, 4-cylinder. Displacement, 289.8 cubic inches, CI, or 4.7 liters, L. Bore, stroke, 4.331 by 4.921 inches, 110 by 125 millimeters. Power output, 80 horsepower, HP, or 59.7 kilowatts, kW. Rated RPM, 2200 revolutions per minute. Torque, 202.8 pound-feet, lb-ft, or 275.0 Newton-meters, nanometer. Torque RPM, 1400 revolutions per minute.